You know, education has this reputation for being all serious and stuffy, like it's a room filled with dusty books and stern teachers. But what if I told you that learning could be as fun as a roller coaster ride? Imagine this. Instead of sitting in a classroom, you're on a virtual safari, exploring the savannah while learning about ecosystems. You're dodging virtual lions while figuring out food chains. Who knew that the circle of life could come with a side of adrenaline? And let's not forget math. Oh, math! The subject that sends shivers down the spine of even the bravest souls. But picture this. Math isn't just numbers on a page. It's a treasure hunt. You're solving puzzles to unlock the next clue, racing against the clock to find hidden gems. Suddenly, those equations become your map to adventure. Who knew that X could lead you to buried treasure? Then there's history. It's often portrayed as a series of dates and names, but what if we could time travel? Imagine stepping into the shoes of a Roman gladiator, feeling the roar of the crowd as you prepare for battle. You're not just reading about the past, you're living it. You're tasting the bread of ancient civilizations, hearing the echoes of their stories, and understanding their struggles and triumphs firsthand. And science. Oh, science is like magic. You're a wizard in a lab, mixing potions that bubble and change colors. You're launching rockets made of soda and Mentos, watching them soar into the sky. It's not just about formulas, it's about curiosity, exploration, and the thrill of discovery. So let's flip the script on education. Let's make it an adventure, a quest, a game. Because when learning is fun, it sticks with you. And suddenly, the world is your classroom.